We've been telling you that health officials are warning everyone to really consider their plans for Thanksgiving this year. But now there is a new tool you can use to calculate your risk if you plan to be with friends and family for the holiday. Fox 59's Bianca Reyes showing us how it works.
The modeling that is under the hood of the risk tool is actually very well developed, in my opinion.
Developed by researchers at Georgia Tech, the COVID-19 Event Risk Assessment Planning Tool is the latest resource you can use to calculate your COVID-19 risk ahead of Thanksgiving.
The point is to give you a general idea of how you should behave and what precautions you should have.
Assistant professor for IU School of Public Health, Anna Bento, explains the map is broken up by county. Zooming into Indiana, the color-coded map shows the likelihood of someone at your dinner table having COVID-19.
The purpose of the tool is really to get people to think twice, I think, about attending events, particularly large events in certain areas of the country.
In Marion County, current public health orders limit gatherings to 50 people. A risk level of 80%. Cut that gathering down to 15 people and the risk level drops to 38%.
I think if you're headed, to other parts of the United States, then I think the tool could be helpful.
Dr. Brian Dixon with Regan Street Institute says even lower risk spots should not be used as an excuse to let your guard down.
It's a little bit lower if you have that small family, but there's still a chance that somebody at that smaller family gathering is infected with COVID.
No place on the map shows a 0% risk, meaning social distancing, masks, and ventilation within households are still recommended.
All it takes is for one person to break the rules, and then, everything is undone.
In Indianapolis, I'm Bianca Reyes, Fox 59 News.